everybody, I'm Latrina Patrick. Welcome to this edition of She Rocks, a show designed to help women become strong, healthy, and empowered. This week we are kicking off part 2 of our series on the benefits of chiropractic care. Last week I introduced you to Dr. Jeremy Hess and his chiropractic assistant as they talked to us about the basics of chiropractic care and why it's necessary. Today I want to kick off part 2 where we focus a little bit more on some of the benefits that people have received from receiving chiropractic care. Some of the healing and some of the recoveries that people have experienced from long-term or chronic illnesses. So we're even going to hear a little bit about how Dr. Hess himself became not only a patient of chiropractic care, but how that inspired him to enter the field as a profession.
This is young Kaio. Kaio and his mom came in because they were in an auto accident. We did not know that Kaio had debilitating asthma, couldn't even go out and play. In the process of getting care for the auto accident, his asthma went away. So that was the end of the asthma and the asthma drugs, which were virtually all steroidal. Wow. And he plays outside like a normal kid now. Of course, they moved out of state, so we don't get to see him anymore. We see a lot of pregnant moms, women who stay under chiropractic care, have easier deliveries, quicker deliveries. Our doctors had their babies under chiropractic care, very quick deliveries, completely natural, no interventions, and that is our goal for moms, to help them with that.
So I had this hip injury, went to the chiropractor, got some specific adjustments. My hip got better within 6 or 7 chiropractic adjustments. Awesome. I was playing soccer again. I was a college scholarship for soccer. Chiropractor said, hey, why don't you stick with it? You know your asthma can be affected. Within 6 weeks, my asthma was totally gone. I also had a really nasty bacterial infection in my right eye. It would crust. 3 years I was put an antibiotic dropper in that eye. If I didn't, I would get crusty. It was nasty. Right? It was a complicated health problem, and I didn't know what to do about it. I was a teenager, and that's the deal. Within 12 weeks, 12, 13 weeks, my eye was totally healed. It's been 20 years since I've taken any drug, any antibiotic, any Advil, any type of prescription medication, even over the counter.
We see people for irritable bowels, children for constipation, older folks with incontinence, prostate issues, menopausal issues. We even see couples for infertility issues. We have great success in helping couples get pregnant, and it's wonderful when they've tried and tried and tried and had no help even with fertility treatments to finally have conception. And we've got a lot of babies running around here from couples who were told they never would have babies. Now,
so you can see that there are people using chiropractic care to overcome numerous illnesses and chronic conditions, and I hope that you were able to gain some information that you can benefit from and perhaps apply to your own life. Next week we kick off the 3rd part of the series, and we will focus on why you may want to consider chiropractic care for infants. Dr. Hess will talk a little bit about his new book. It's called Baby Designed by God, and it really discusses some of those things, so I hope that you'll tune in next week to check that out. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to send me an email at latrina@plantfruitrocks.com. We love to hear from you. And we hope that you have enjoyed the show, and remember, you rock.